Hello guys, in today's video we're going to take one of these round mirrors and we're going to use some floral foam. So we're going to put a little bit of hot glue in there and then attach it right into place like that. Then after that we're going to take another pieces and place it around it because we're going to put a flower around this. We're going to do the whole thing, cover the whole thing with floral foam like that. Then after you finish covering the whole thing with floral foam, we're going to take these little branches, put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it into place and then just continue cutting little branches. I got these little branches from Dollar Tree and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside until you fill out the whole thing with branches. You could do different color, different design. This one you could do it however you guys would like it to look. And the key here is just to place different branches, different colors all the way around it like that. You could do some tall, some small. Then just go ahead and grab your flower and we're going to do the same thing. Just place your flower in there. I'm using the long stick. You're gonna do some small, some big, so standing out just to make it like a big bouquet. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. I think this came out super cute. I think you could place this on a wedding decorations and it will look super cute. You could place with a candle inside. You could put a glass in the middle, which I was gonna do, but I didn't get a chance to. But I give you the idea for you guys to do it now. Now another DIYs that I have, I'm gonna use one of this little glass and then this was gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna take my hot glue and I'm going to make like a little circle like that around it around the glass and I'm gonna continue doing circle like this. So make sure to do it better than mine. But just continue doing circle like that until you fill out the whole jars like that with circle like that. You could do different designs in here, but this is how it turns out, you guys. So then after you do the circle, we're gonna take some spray painted in gold. You could do any color that you guys will like. So then after that, I'm gonna take my hot glue and put a little bit of the hot glue in the floral foam. And I'm gonna place it inside like that because it's a big glass. So then I'm gonna put more floral foam like that inside so you fill out the whole thing like into the middle. And then just go ahead and grab your branches and put it inside the floral foam like that. Just fix it. And then I'm gonna take different things like this cute little fan just to place it in there. You could also do it with flowers, but I'm just gonna use this little greenery and this little fan and then put different feather leaves in there like that. And just like that, this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Simple and easy. You can add up flowers. I didn't want to add up flowers on this DIY, but you can also do it for a mermaid birthday theme as well and spray painted in purple. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Or you guys can also use it for a home decor. This is like for a cute little home decor without the flower, which also looks great, I think. Now for the next DIY, we're going to use so this wine glass and a little tray and attach them together, spray painted in silver, put floral foam around it like that, you guys. And then go ahead and fill it up with flower all the way around it. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Just put a candle in the middle, and this could be great for any wedding decorations or party decorations that you guys want to do it. And thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment and share and let me know what you guys think of this DIY video.